back to the live trading. Started a little bit late for this one. Let's get right into it. No time wasted. No news today. See, price is just dumping. So we created new all-time highs. Price has now dumped. Slashed through this gap, the 4-hour gap. Slashing through that right now. This is an order block right here. I believe this is a 1-hour order block. 1-hour order block zone here. We have sell-side liquidity that was just taken here within this gap, and then we have equal lows down here. So what I'm thinking is, oh yeah, again, also, I believe we are at OTE of this range. So what I was thinking was price would come down, sweep sell-side liquidity and OTE of this range, come up to fill in bearish PD raise above where near all-time highs is what I was thinking. And then NQ is kind of the same thing. Created all-time highs, dumped down, respected all the bearish PD raise, and now we have come down and melted past these bullish PD rays, and now we've taken this equal low here, and then we've actually come down further down into this zone. And again, that's what I'm looking for, is sweep of equal lows and then potentially a push up into these areas here. Or we could just see price come up, sweep some type of low resistance sell-side liquidity up here, and then see a push back down. Is what we could see, just to fill out equilibrium and rebalance price from this past couple weeks. This whole price leg up, maybe we can see price come down into equilibrium down here. But that is what I'm looking for today. That's what I'm looking for today. Today. Alright, let's get right into it. Getting rid of this. Let me get rid of this. This low resistance here. We got this low resistance here. I think this could be a manipulation here. Just because we're before macro session, we can see a manipulation here. Price come up and take out this high and then continue down is what we could see. That's just me putting things out there. Yeah, I need to start waking up early, man. I didn't wake up early enough for this. Ideally, I want to look for sales more. I want to look for sales. Okay, we've taken all that low resistance liquidity just now. Rebalancing the zone here. 15-minute candle is pushing up after sweeping equal lows here. I want to see price keep going, keep pushing higher. Okay, we just pushed out of the zone here. We have opening market open high right here. Maybe we sweep that. Come down. Yeah, ES just looking bullish. Woo! Look at that 5 and the 15-minute candle. Man, that thing looks beautiful. Oh wow. Oh wow. Yeah, 6 minutes till macro. Just took it opening. Just took open market open high. We got this 1 minute inverse right here. Okay, ES is just tapping this buy side liquidity level here. So again, it's all low resistance buy side liquidity. We do have this 5 minute gap here, which we have to monitor. Come down, we have, whoops, wrong liquidity. We have this liquidity right here. Internal liquidity there. maybe we come see price come down and sweep that low. That'd be nice. Let's look at the overall picture right now. Okay, this candle does look bullish, but I have to keep in mind that the overall trend of pre-market is bearish. We are coming down, so we could see like a manipulation here. The manipulation was we sweep this, we come up, and then we end up sweeping that, and then we come create a continuation to the downside. Is what we could see. You know, so just keep that in mind. Within this inverse, we have this tiny 1 minute. Macro is going to open in 2 minutes. We're near that time. As long as it nears that time. Sugar in the morning. At night. We have this gap here. Oops. There we go. ES ended up sweeping that swing high I was talking about. This guy right here. That swing high, and we're still in this gap. Looks like we're just tapping and coming out of it. Don't look like we're really expecting it. Alright, macro's about open. Okay, so we did end up getting that buy side liquidity sweep during macro session. During right at the open of macro session. Or near the open of macro session. We got the buy side liquidity sweep. Let's see how that plays out. Or we could see prices go higher, taking out this high or even this high. If it takes out this high, there's okay. Never mind. We are pushing further down. Okay. I want to see how price reacts within this inverse, and then we have this 1 minute gap, and then this low right here. I want to see how price reacts to that. Okay, we also have this 3 minute fair value gap here. I think we push farther down. If we're bearish, we're gonna push farther down. If we're bullish, I think we're pushed down to this inverse. ES is still in that area. Okay, we are coming down into this 5 minute right here, and we also have this 5 minute inverse. Okay, we've tapped into the 5 minute inverse. And we just tapped into this 1 minute fair value gap here. Okay, we are pushing below this gap. So there's a manipulation to this high, which I was thinking. We are almost at 50% level. Let's see how we play off of this 1 minute gap. I want to see if we respect it. Let's see if we end up respecting that gap. Four, three, two, one. so we pushed below that on the 1 minute time frame. Okay, we're using that as a, looks like we're using that 1 minute as an inverse now. So inverse that 1 minute. ES also has dropped. ES is pushing out of the zone. Never mind. Too early to say that. Okay, but it looks like we are using this 1 minute as a inverse gap. We see consecutive red candles to the downside. Okay, that's what I was thinking, was price come down, sweep this low here, and then we come up probably targeting one of these low resistance highs, and then we see another push down, is what I'm thinking. We could just simply sweep this, come into equilibrium, and then push higher. It's either this high, or those PUAs up there. That's what I'm thinking. There's two different biases. So we still are respecting this 1 minute gap here. 1 minute inverse gap. And with that, we also have this 1 minute gap here. We also have this big 3 minute inverse here. We have a big 3 minute inverse. What was this guy? Okay, another inverse up here too. Big 3 minute inverse on the left side. Bearish inverse. We're 4 minutes into macro. What I want to see on ES is if ES can come up and take this high, creating a bearish SMT, and I want to see NQ just stay respecting these inverse gaps. Okay, ES looks like it's dropped from that area. Let's see, do we continue to respect this 1 minute inverse? Okay, looks like we're respecting this 1 minute inverse. We're very much respecting this 1 minute inverse. Do we push higher though? Let's see. Okay, good. We are pushing down now. No, we're not. Okay, we have this high. Wait, oh, I'm gonna use the other one. We have this high here. And we have this high. Let's see if I can use the turtle soup method here. We're creating more liquidity up here and down here. Let's see which one we go grab first. Okay, we just grab buy side. Let's see if we respect it though. We are in this 3 minute inverse. Let's see if we end up respecting this buy side liquidity. Turtle soup. Oh yeah, we like those. Let's close bearish. Let's see if we can see this candle close bearish. We got an SMT, perfect. Perfect. minis, NQ minis, sell, market, 7, 9, 8. Okay, let me bring up NQ. Okay, we ended up sweeping that low resistance low that I marked out on the below the 50% level. Okay, again, first I want to see price break out of that inverse gap. That 3-minute inverse gap, I want to see price break out of that gap. Here, I'll chatty change it, matter of fact. Let me come over here and put this to macros. Okay, so I want to see price break this 3-minute inverse gap and to validate shorts. It looks like we just took sell side liquidity down here, so we have a sell side turtle soup, and we took out this sell side liquidity too. We are respecting this 1-minute level here as well. Shorts looking fucking beautiful right now. I'm gonna go. I'm gonna enter half a percent here, and then I'll look to scale in. Okay, if we break this gap here, hold on, let me, what level is this? Okay, if we, I'm gonna go 4 more here. I'm at a total of 8 minis right now. I am entered in at, not like right here. High, stops above the high. About a 1% risk, straight 1% risk right now. Okay, the main draw is right here. Whoops. Cancel. Bro, my god. Again? You're joking. Coming out of 1 minute, dude. There we go. Okay, so this is what I've got so far. So TP1 is right here. This is 1 to 2. Targeting this area right there. Oops. And then this is final TP. Might just target this level here. I'm gonna actually target this level. This low makes sense more. Okay, so I'm taking out 50% here, and then 50%, then full position here. This is gonna be a 1 to 3, 3 to 1, 3.5 to 1, or 1 to 3, whatever it is. price at market open came down to sweep liquidity and manipulate smart traders. Then during morning macro open, price went up to take a low resistance sell side, which I think was the take sell side. I wouldn't say it's the main move. Sell side liquidity. Then we saw a push down into equilibrium. My dumbass can't even spell equilibrium. Shit. Hitting it and kept bouncing off that level, but price kept respecting a 1 minute. We also rated the bullish inverse fair value gap that price left at market open. Currently in for 8 mini contracts for and risking, why is my computer so bad? Risking 1% in this trade, looking to hit a 1, 2, 3.47 RR. Looks like price is heading down in my direction. Okay. Alright, I need to monitor this trade just in case if we get any type of SMT. I'm gonna need to exit out. So once we end up breaking this and then we see a push up, and then ES has not broke this low just yet. ES hasn't broken this low. If NQ breaks this low and ES doesn't, and then we see NQ push up as well as ES, I'm gonna look to exit out of this trade, just because I don't want to risk myself having going against this SMT or trading against the SMT. So basically, I'm gonna go over the trade here. We get the sweep of this opening market open high. We see this. We see these consecutive candles to the downside. We inverse this 1 minute gap here. With this price leg up after sweeping this equal low from I believe yesterday, we see price create this massive move to the upside. I think that was the manipulation that got many traders out or stopped them out. We saw this push up. We created this inverse. We inversed this entire 1 minute gap here, and then we came out, swept out market open highs, and then we saw these consecutive push down, right? These consecutive candles come down, fill in this inverse gap, got a reaction, but we respected this 1 minute gap here, and then we kept respecting a 1 minute inverse gap. Okay, so we kept respecting the 1 minute inverse gap here. So that gave me a lot of conviction as well as we got a turtle soup right here. So once we got that turtle soup, as well as respecting the inverse 1 minute and this regular 1 minute fair value gap, yeah, I was bearish for the day. I knew we were going to go short. Okay, so now NQ has broken this low. ES has yet to break that low, or at that time. You can see here, price has not broken this low here. So I need to keep in mind that if ES does not end up breaking that low and we end up pushing up, this could be an SMT. ES has yet to break that low. I'm gonna move stop to break even. Stops at break even right now. Stops to break even here. ES still need to break that low. If ES can break that low, I think we should be good. We're getting there, almost there. Like a few ticks away. We're like right there. Very close, very close. Right there. Come on, break, just break it. Just break it. Literally right at that level. Okay, we have broken this. Now I feel more confident in this trade and more conviction. We're closing in on TP1 here. Here you guys go. You guys saw the live execution and everything. This RR is different because I scaled into this position. And then the RR on this right here. Because this one is just one entry. This is two different entries. On here is two different entries. Okay, come on. Just tap TP1. Come on, pal. Come on, buddy. Okay, TP1 just hit. Perfect. You all saw that? TP1 just hit. Filled. Yes, sir. We got 4 contracts left. We banked $500 right here. So our currently balance is $2,200, and looking for another 0.5% in this trade to bank. So if this hits TP, we should recover from our losses from last week. Should recover from our losses, and we have not broken any rules just yet. TP are making how much you can make wise. You can only make 1,500. We'll end up making, I believe, 1,300. We'll end up making 1,300. Okay, so ES just hit these equal lows right here. Boom, just swept those equal lows, so we could see price come up. Very likely we'll see price come up to rebalance itself, and then we can see a continuation of the downside. there's that, boys. Easy dubs, just like that, man. Just like that. We only take dubs out here. Only take dubs out here, bro. W's in the chat. Hey, right, W's in the chat. Nobody in the chat though. Idiot. Okay. Short. W's in the chat. We got entered in this position at 9:57. Whoops. Banked 1% after hitting TP1 for a 1 to 2.2 RR. Looking to make another 1.5% at final TP. Now price has just swept sell side liquidity, so we could see price shoot up and rebalance itself out, and then see price come down. Or we can continue dumping and dumping down. Okay, we've banked 1% on this trade. Let's see if we can get another 1.5%. As you can can see, we're still in this trade here. Very close to TP. Very, very close to TP. I think we can hit it. Yes, sir, boys. Talk to me. Alright, now it's time to chill. I think we can see price come up to here, this level here, fill in this level, rebalance to this order block, or just tap this order block and come down. What we can see. Shit, man, my AirPods is connected. Hello. Hey, talk to me. Where's your Trump coin at? MAGA. I'm gonna buy this meme coin right here. That's $7. If this coin can come down into like the $5 range, dude, I'm going all in on this shit. Oh, let's just do the math real quick. Oops, wrong one. Crypto profit calculator. Search MAGA. $7. I'll put probably like 1,000. into this. Say it goes back to all-time highs, which was $17. It's like 2 bands right there. 2 bands of $1,000 investment. Damn. I think it should go up like 40, easy. Not even 40. I'd probably say like 20. 20 is where I think you can go up. Go up to 20,000. Shit. Final TP hit. Talk to me nice. You know I'm like that. I'm fucking Himothy. I am Himothy. I am Himothy. Himothy. You know? I'm that guy. I'm just that guy. I'm that guy, baby. Yes, sir. We recovered. Took 2 days off from trading. Yesterday, bank holiday, and the day before. We recovered. Patience is key. Patience is key. Look at that. 1 to 3 easy money. Talk to me. Clap the market today. Fuck the rich niggas. Fuck the rich boys. Fuck all of the people in the market that run this market, bruh. I'm him. I'm him. I'm Himothy. Don't play with me. Don't ever play with me. Don't disrespect my name. Put the respect on my name. Look at that. How long was this trade? This trade was from 9:57. 20-minute trade. Just 20 minutes in the market. In and out. Just in and out. In and out. You know what I'm saying? In and out. In and out. Boom. Easy dubs. What do we got? We got 500 there. 582 plus 842. That's close to 3% almost. So 50,000 divided by 424. Whoops. That's 2.8%. We banked 2.8% today. Whew, almost banked 3%. Just him. I'm him. Him. I'm him. Okay, so we're currently up in the month of June. The month of June we're up 0.3, down 2%. Hold on. Basically up like 4 or 5% so far in the month of June. 4 or 5%. Now we're gonna see price come up. I'm telling you, price is gonna rebalance now. TP2 hit and banked 1.28% on this trade. Reflection. I think this was probably my best day trading so far. Market was actually, hold on. Some traders said that the market will give you opportunities, but you need to wait for them, and they will be crystal clear. Yeah, if you guys don't know, I'm dumb as shit. I had great patience, waited for price to respect the PD arrays so I can kind of see where price wants to go. Also, I located the manipulation part of the trade, so I would not get manipulated, not taking trades before the macro, because the initial sweep of sell-side liquidity was the manipulation, and not taking that trade was smart. Had good patience, I said that already. Great risk management. And good position entry. Good trade. Read. But what can I do better on this trade? Dude, I don't even know what I can do better. What can I do better? There's gotta be something I can do better. I need to get a haircut today. Only have one bias, not multiple, which I will work my way up to that. Okay. Alright boys, that's the trade, the live for today. Caught the dub. Hopefully you guys caught it too after watching this video. I'll see y'all boys tomorrow. Last day of the week. Be smart, be careful, be safe, alright? Peace. Oh shit, my bad. Peace. Dismiss.